ever offered on the Dyson V8. This is Dyson's #1 selling vacuum. Stick vacuum. This has been so popular today. Over 700 were ordered just today. You're getting so many features and benefits. 5 extra tools. I'm going to show you the color choices right now. This is your red choice. We also have we just have red. It's been so popular that we only have red. Well, guess what? Red is my favorite color. This is $299.98, 5 easy payments of $60 and free shipping and handling. I'm so excited because my friend Debbie Fidyukov is here. Debbie, welcome, my friend. Always so fun. Let's talk really quick because this is the lowest price we've ever offered. Normally, you get these 3 tools.
Exactly. You get the hair screw tool, which has detangling technology, so great for our pet owners. You get the combination tool and the crevice tool there. But
not today.
Today, we're doing something extra for QVC, and we're giving you those 5 additional tools. So you have the extension hose, then you have the up-top adapter. We'll show you how all these work. You have your mattress and fabric tool, then you have your soft dusting brush, as well as your stubborn dirt brush.
Dirt stands no chance. We are
equipped. And you get this wall mount too.
And then you get the wall mount.
So
I have this in my garage, and I love that my Dyson is always available, charged up, ready to go. Should we start cleaning?
Let's clean. We got a big mess over here. So what I love about the V8 Extra is, you said it, this is our best-selling model here at QVC, and Dyson is the #1 brand when it comes to stick vacuums. So if you have never tried a Dyson vacuum, this is your opportunity because it is so powerful, yet so compact and lightweight. This weighs less than 6 pounds, Chelsea.
Yes.
It has our latest detangling technology. So you see all this hair?
I feel like you took this from my dressing room.
I'm just cutting
what it
right
looks
through
like.
it. It's easy to use. It's light to push. It has so much power. I can go right from the carpet to the hard floor. And I'm going to go right through this big mess, right through the middle.
At that.
Look at that precision and edge-to-edge cleaning. Not only is it vacuuming, it's actually dusting the bare floor because there are carbon fiber bristles on this cleaner head. So this is really going to help you get your home clean, make that spring cleaning easy. And I want to show you the cleaner head because latest detangling technology. So you saw all of that pet hair.
Yes.
We have nothing.
There's nothing.
Caught.
How many times would you have to take scissors to your old brush roll? And you'd have to slice that hair off. You don't have to worry about that with the Dyson. The lowest price we've ever offered. And Debbie, I love that you can do all your floors throughout your entire house.
Right, and you don't have to push any buttons or turn any knobs. You're just gonna zip from carpet to hard floor, back to the carpet.
Yes.
You're gonna be able to get under your big, heavy furniture because look at this. It lays almost completely flat.
It's a game changer.
Really easy, and it saves you time because you're not having to stop, move the couch, stop, move the bed, move the chairs. You're just going to work around them. Here you can take the cleaner head off, these red buttons, and then wait till you see this. We're giving you, these are 2 of the tools that you wouldn't normally get.
Right.
So we have that up top tool here, which is the one that bends. How cool is that?
Yes.
And then the soft dusting brush. So think about, you know, going up high. I'm going to come back here and get this. Look at how great is this? It might be your ceiling fan blades, the crown molding, the tops of the kitchen cabinets, the recessed lights. Right. Because this is less than 6 pounds, your feet stay safely planted on the ground and you just lift this up as high as you need to. It really is incredible.
And Debbie, that's what I love about cleaning all that crown molding, cleaning the tops of your ceiling fans. You're not just like moving it away, you're actually vacuuming it up. You're not just moving it, you're removing it.
That's right, and I use this actually to dust my tabletops too. I take the stick off and I put it in handheld mode. So you're going to use this for really cleaning floor to ceiling and everything in between. Now I just put that hair screw tool on, and the same way you get that detangling technology in our cleaner head, you're getting it in this. So now think about doing the pet beds. Think about taking this out to your car, cleaning the couch cushions before your company comes over, vacuuming your mattress. I mean, look at how beautiful that is. And it was so easy and nothing is tangled on the brush roll.
That is incredible because how many times have you looked at your couch and you're like, who has been sitting on this? We're going to look at some video right now. Talk to me about all these features and benefits that we're looking at right here, Debbie.
Yes, you're getting lots of power with this one because it's powered by our digital V8 motor. So it also has our root cyclonic technology, our latest detangling technology. So there you're seeing that motor bar cleaner head that's going to drive deep down into the carpets. lift away things that have settled, dust your bare floors at the same time. There you're getting a look at that root cyclonic technology, which means no loss of suction. And then it has whole machine filtration, Chelsea. So when we pick up the dirt, the dust, and the allergens, the last thing we want to do, like you were saying, is move it
back
around
into the air.
Right. So these filters are going to capture those particles.
That's I love this. It's so satisfying to me to use my Dyson because it's such like instant results, and I think we're going to do some more cleaning.
And it's easy, right?
Yes.
So we all have to clean, but when you have the right tool, it is not such a chore, and that's what I love about this. So take a look at the bin. There is nothing in the bin right now, so it's completely empty, and this rug looks pretty good.
I thought it was already vacuumed. Yeah, it looks super.
Let's see what the V8 can find, because again, you know, I told you this is our most popular, our best-selling model here at QVC. Everybody loves it because it is easy to use, but it's so powerful. It's going to deep clean the surfaces in your home.
And do you see how thick this pile is? This is a big, shaggy rug. The Dyson is able to vacuum no problem because you can use it on all different surfaces, from a high pile to hardwood to tile as well.
Yep.
Okay, I think we're about to get a surprise.
All right, wait till you see this. Now,
dirt
ejector right here. Everything comes right out. Can you imagine? Look at all of that was hiding in this carpet that we thought was clean. And so, you know, again, we say do the Dyson challenge. When you get it home, vacuum one more time with whatever you're using right now, and then take this out, go over that same rug. You will be so amazed at the power this has and how light and easy it is to use.
You're going to be amazed and a little bit disgusted. But here's what I think is so awesome. When you talk about get out that old vacuum, how many times have you gotten out your vacuum? A, it weighs a ton. You have to wrestle the cord. It might like smell a little weird. I remember like bringing that vacuum and like trying to do my stairs and taking each one. The game changer is when we brought home a Dyson. It's quick, it's easy to use, and even you saw the way we emptied it.
Yes,
there's no bags.
No bags to buy, no filters to replace. It's a these are lifetime washable filters. And so no cost of ownership whatsoever. And you can use it everywhere. So all floor surfaces. So we just did that deep pile carpet. Now we're on a beautiful hardwood floor. Same cleaner head. I don't have to do anything. I don't have to turn any knobs. I'm just going to get right to cleaning. And what we love is on these hard floors, first of all, you always want to make sure that your vacuum's not going to scratch them. And this isn't, because it's engineered to clean hard floors. It has carbon fiber filaments that actually dust the bare floor. So not only am I vacuuming, it's dusting it at the same time.
You see a difference just in the way the wood looks after you get done.
Absolutely, but wait till you see the difference. Remember, we had just emptied that bin.
Yes, it was totally empty. Whoa.
That
Look at
was
all
hiding.
That fine sand and like dirt, and that's what's in our house because we walk in with our shoes.
It falls between the cracks and crevices, and you know, our floors are expensive.
Exactly.
So we need a vacuum that's going to deep clean so that it's removing those things so that we're not wearing down the floors. You know, our carpets wear down from the bottom up. So we want to make sure we're getting everything up and out.
I love this this video because that is we have our girl Eva is like a dachshund mix. Her favorite activity is to shed. That is her job. That's my job as well with my long hair. This is the lowest price we have offered, $299.98. 5 easy payments of $60. I think you're going to be really amazed when we're about to show you how much power is packed into the super lightweight vacuum.
Yeah, and so what I did is I removed the stick, just like you're seeing in the video. You're seeing it in handheld mode. So remember, you're getting a vacuum that, yes, it's going to be able to do all the floors, but every house needs a handheld vacuum.
Exactly.
Right? Because now you're going to go out to the car with this. Here's one of those other tools that we are giving you.
The extension hose.
This is so great. I can't tell you how many times I use this because now you get under the car seats. Now you can dust that dashboard by, you slide up this brush, and now this is going to get right up against the edge of the windshield, dust the dashboard, and here we go with the floor mat. So you're going to be able to clean your car, detail your car. You don't have to go to the car wash and put quarter after quarter
in those vacuum machines that are like, what have these vacuums seen?
Exactly.
I love that you're getting that detail clean at your home. Coffee beans.
Yeah, I mean, spills in the kitchen.
They
are big, but this really shows you the power that this has to be able to pick up those big messes. The spills, the spills in the, you know, you open that bottle and they go everywhere.
And they go everywhere.
And then we're going to take the so this is the combination tool. Now, if I wanted to just dust my tabletop, I would slide that brush down and I could dust. If I want to pick up the big pieces, I slide it back, and I do it that way.
Isn't that cool? You're getting 8 different attachments.
You want to do some cleaning?
Debbie.
All right, so we'll put the hair screw tool on. We'll let you get all the hair.
Let's do it.
So, you know, I love this too, like the back of the car, the couch cushions, the pet beds, because this hair screw tool has that detangling technology, but it's in that smaller size.
Yeah.
So, and you just want to make sure you're always vacuuming forward, because that's where you're going to get that power, and it's going to pick up all of the hair, detangle it as you're vacuuming. Look at how great that is.
Isn't vacuuming satisfying? You
It
guys,
is.
I know, like sometimes I have like little fantasies where I was like, wouldn't it be nice if someone else cleaned my house? But I'm telling you what, vacuuming is one of those jobs I love to do, because it's that instantaneous satisfaction of seeing those instant results. Look at the way it just powered through that hair.
Powered right through it. And what I love is it has a conical brush bar. So what that means is it's actually going to detangle the hair as you're vacuuming. So it's not going to be caught around the brush roll, which you don't have to get out your scissors and cut it.
Yes.
And then we also give you the crevice tool. So now think about all of those tight, narrow spaces in between the couch cushions, right?
Yes.
I use this to get the lint out of the dryer, because it gives you that nice long reach, and you can pick everything up quickly and easily. Again, there's a tool for every job on your list.
Okay, well that was the perfect segue, because there really is a perfect tool for every job, and you're getting so much today. So 1,000 have already been ordered today. I want to show everyone, this is what you normally get. You get the Dyson, of course, but you get 3 attachments. But today, you're getting all 8. You're getting all of this for a $60 easy payment, free shipping and handling. Debbie, talk to me about what each one of these does.
Yes, okay, so we'll start with the normal tools that you would get. The hair screw tool is the one we just showed you with the detangling technology. Crevice tool for getting into the tight, narrow spaces, like in between the couch cushions. You have your combination tool, which can do dusting or pick up large pieces. Spills in the kitchen, I use that all the time. Here's your stubborn dirt brush. This is when my dogs come in with muddy paw prints and then it dries on the mat. I use this because it gives you a little scrubbing power. This is soft dusting. So now think about your electronics, your blinds, your picture frames, your house plants. Here, your mattress and fabric tools. This is for your mattresses, for your curtains, for the pillows in your home. Here you have your up top tool, which we showed you can give you that perfect angle because it articulates. And then the extension hose, which is so cool, because even if you're dusting like a bookshelf, you're gonna get in and around those knickknacks in no time, or under the car seats in the car. I mean, it just, again, makes it easy.
This is an easy, effective way to clean your entire home, and it's the lowest price we've offered at $299.98. Are you okay, Debbie? And then we have 5 easy payments of just $6. We're going over to clean the stairs, but before we get that, talk to me about that filtration system inside.
Absolutely, yes. This is so important. Thank you for reminding me, because this has whole machine filtration. So think about your home. When you're vacuuming up dirt, dust, pet dander, dust mites, allergens, skin cells, you don't want it blowing out the exhaust.
No, we don't.
But all vacuums have an exhaust. So take a look here. Without the whole machine filtration, look at the dirt, the dust, the allergens blowing right out the back of the vacuum. Look at the V8 Extra on the bottom. Look how clean the air is coming out. That's because these 2 filters are capturing 99.97% of dust and allergens as small as 0.3 microns. So to give you an idea, that's roughly 700 times smaller than the diameter of a single human hair. So it's going to capture all the particles, right?
That's what it's
that
catching.
You're seeing on the screen. Yep, the pet dander, the pollen, the dust mites, the skin cells. All you have to do is wash these out, let them dry completely, and then you just pop them back on the machine. So I love that you never have to buy them. You never are replacing them.
You took the words right out of my mouth. I was going to say, I love that you're not replacing them or buying new. You just have to rinse them out, let them dry completely. You put them right back in. You're showing us how quick and easy this is to clean those spots, like your stairs, which used to be notoriously hard to clean.
Yes, and stairs are a high traffic area, at least in my home, right?
Yes.
But who wants to lug something big and heavy up and down the steps? This allows you to put all that V8 power right in the palm of your hand, no cord to wrestle with. You're not plugging in and unplugging. And Chelsea,
you're even doing the
risers. I know, isn't that perfect? It's the perfect size for that. And in this handheld mode, it's about 4 pounds. So, I mean, that's half a gallon of milk.
Debbie, you're the one that taught me that because I was going to say many moons ago when I first came to QVC, you said a gallon of milk weighs 8 pounds. When you think about this whole thing, even when you're using it in the stick mode, less than 6 pounds.
Yes. Isn't that incredible?
You can lift it over your head. It's V46794. Look at all these features. Lots of ways to bring it home. Tap your QVC app. Visit us on QVC.com. Give us a call or scan that QR code. If your pet is at home like mine is right now, sleeping and shedding,